Chestnuts are one of the delights of the autumn season, but peeling them can be tricky, especially when it comes to removing that stubborn inner skin. Today, we'll show you simple and effective methods to make this process easy, so you can enjoy your chestnuts without the hassle. Step 1. Preparing the chestnuts. First, it's essential to prepare your chestnuts properly. Before cooking, make a small incision in the form of a cross on the flat side of each chestnut. This step helps the chestnuts to cook evenly and makes peeling easier. You can either roast them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or boil them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Both methods work well, so choose the one you prefer. Step 2. The oven method. The oven method is great for bringing out a rich, roasted flavor. Once the chestnuts are done roasting, wrap them in a kitchen towel and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the steam to loosen the second skin, making it easier to peel off. Be sure to work while they are still warm, as the skin can become more difficult to remove once they cool down completely. Step 3. The boiling water method. Boiling is another simple and effective way to cook chestnuts. After boiling, drain the water and let the chestnuts sit for a minute. The second skin can often be stubborn, but if you start peeling right away while they are still warm, you should find that the inner skin comes off much easier. If they cool down, you can reheat them briefly in hot water to make the process easier. Additional tips: using steam and cloth techniques. For especially stubborn chestnuts, consider steaming them for an extra few minutes after boiling or roasting. Place the chestnuts in a steaming basket over a pot of boiling water for about 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can wrap the cooked chestnuts in a cloth and let them sit. The retained heat and moisture will soften the skin, making it easier to peel. This little trick can save you a lot of time and effort. Troubleshooting: what to do if the skin won't budge. Sometimes, the second skin just won't cooperate. If this happens, don't worry. Use a small paring knife to gently scrape away the bits of skin that are still stuck. Another trick is to briefly dip the chestnuts back into hot water. This will help soften the skin again, making it easier to peel off. Patience is key here, but these techniques should help you get the job done. Enjoying your perfectly peeled chestnuts. And there you have it, perfectly peeled chestnuts, ready to be enjoyed on their own, added to recipes, or used as a delightful snack. Now you can spend less time peeling and more time savoring these autumn treats. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen hacks and delicious recipes.